BIMeaser main page, you first need to log in, create a project, connect to a simulator. Currently the testing has been made in IDA. In the end, you will need to load a base model of the assessed building. In the right hand side, you will create a new scenario, a set of measures. And from left hand side, you can drag and drop renovation measures into the scenario. After the scenario has been defined, it is time to start and run the simulation for current scenario in the connected simulator. Owner's project requirements are calculated from the simulation results. In the table, you will see them calculated for each scenario. Finally, it is time to publish the results into the BIM management system using the Publish button. The results are transferred in an ontology format. A Sparkle query can be used in the BIM management system to verify that the results have been successfully transferred.